Does Instagram notify when you take a screenshot? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss on whether or not Instagram notifies when you take a screenshot. So actually, Instagram does notify when you take a screenshot of disappearing photos or videos sent in private DM. So I'm just going to open a random conversation I have in here to show you what a disappearing of photo looks like. So this is how it usually looks like in a certain conversation, and when you click play on that, or when you play a photo or a disappearing photo or a video within that conversation, you screenshot it, that user you have a conversation with will actually receive a notification that you took a screenshot of that photo or video. So the next question is if it applies on a post, a reel, or a story. So the answer is actually no. Whether you're screenshotting or screen recording a story like this one, or even a post, a reel, Instagram does not notify the other user that you have screenshotted their content. But again, when you screenshot a disappearing photo or video sent to you via direct message, Instagram does notify the sender of the message. So when someone screenshots a disappearing photo or video you sent, this small circle right here actually appears. So that is actually also one indicator aside from the user being notified of you screenshotting their disappearing photo or video. Also, when I go back to the conversation and swipe to the left, there is also a screenshot indicator again. So that is another info that the user receives when you screenshot their disappearing photo or video. So back to the conversation, when you send someone a photo or video from your phone's camera roll and they screenshot it, this is actually not a disappearing message. So the user will not be notified if someone screenshots it. So within a conversation, you can also screenshot other content in the direct chat like this, and you don't have to worry because they won't be notified of that. So you can freely screenshot the individual messages, conversation history, and the other messages that you have exchanged before. So that is it on whether or not Instagram notifies when you take a screenshot. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.